Now suppose we want to do some analysis to see which of our forms and on what pages are performing the best at getting us inquiries. Because we're using a custom dimension, it's often best to set up a custom report to do this. So head over to the Customization tab, where we're going to create a new custom report, and we're going to call it Inquiry Form Performance. And to assess the performance, we're going to use the Unique Events attribute. And we only want to track events which are related to our inquiry forms. So we're going to add a filter to this report, and I'm going to set the event category to be inquiry. So if you remember when we previously set up the events from WordPress in Google Tag Manager, in fact I'll show you here, we used the category inquiry and the action submitted GA consultant inquiry, which is why I'm using inquiry here. And now we want to show which page those inquiry forms were on. So let's run that. And we can see my two tests have come through. They were on this page and we had 2 inquiries. So we're going to take this one step further now. Because we have form ID, we're going to add that into the report as well. So let's go back to edit. And I want to see the 2 dimensions side by side. So I'm going to switch to a flat table. I'm going to add in form ID here. And form ID is the more top priority for me, so I'm going to change that to before the page dimension. And let's run this report. So there we go. Now we have our custom dimension, form ID, and not only do we know what the type of form was, we know what page it was on as well. So if I were to reuse this form on different parts of my site, I would know exactly where my inquiries are coming from, which page it was, and if by the same token, if I had a page, a long page with 2 forms, I could use multiple form IDs and I'd know which form on that page was bringing me in inquiries.